How are you? We are going to learn on sharing objects today. Okay, guys, sharing is the very simple term of division. Okay, so most of you will know what is division. But you know, guys, sharing is a very simple term. Do you know why I use this word sharing? Because this is easier for grade 1 students. Okay, very easier for grade 1 students. We shouldn't use the word division. Okay, it's quite hard for them. Okay. Hi, yeah. So now, before we go to this slide, I'm teacher Ali Malar, going to teach you on how to share objects equally. Objects means things, right? Objects can be things, can be food, can be anything. Okay, so how to share objects equally? Example. Now, why we need to share objects equally? First of all, it can be like unequal, right? No. Do you know why? Very simple. Just imagine you have okay, just imagine your mom is cutting a nice cake. Okay, she's cutting a nice cake. She cut into 4 parts. Okay, she cut into 4 parts. So you and your sister what loves cakes. Okay, you and your sister, you guys are you guys love cakes. But when you go to your mom just giving you one piece of cake, and then your sister getting 3 pieces of cakes. Will you be happy? No, of course we feel like, huh, how come I get only one and she can get three? It's not fair. So what we will do? We will fight. So we don't want to have any fight here. So that is why we are going to learn how to share objects equally. If equal means the number of cakes the number of pieces of cakes that you get will be same as the number of pieces of cakes that my sister get. Am I right? Okay, now come back to this question, guys. Now, first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to count how many images we have here. Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you have only 8 images here. Am I right? Okay, now what is this big circle? Okay, so you have 8 images, and imagine this as you yourself and this as your friend. Okay, so which means this is you. What is your name? Okay, now I'll put my name. This is my name, Miss Ali Malar. This is my friend, Miss Catherine. Okay, so now we have 8 images here. Of course, I want to have the equal number of images here. I don't want to have less images compared to my friend. I don't want to have that. I want more or equal, but I don't want to have less. But it's good to be equal. I won't be fighting and my friend won't be fighting to me. Okay, now let's see how to actually draw equal things. Guys, please watch this carefully, guys. Okay, now if you want to draw things equally, what you will do? First thing, you have to cut this, draw this on the green color circle, and then cut the second image, draw this in the red color circle, and then cut the third image, draw in green color circle, cut the fourth image, draw in red color circle, fifth image, draw in green color circle, sixth image, draw in red color circle, seventh image, draw in the green color circle, and then the last image, which is eighth image, draw in the red color circle. Okay, now so when we will draw one green color, another one is a red color, and then another one green color, another one red color, another one green color, another one red color, one by one. Okay, so after you done that, what will be the image look like? Will be like this. Can you see here, guys? Can you see here? One, just now you cut the first image, you draw here, correct? And then you cut the second image, you draw here, and then you cut the third image, you draw here, and then you cut the fourth image, you draw here, you cut the fifth image, you draw here, you cut the sixth image, you draw here, you cut the 7th image you draw here, and then you cut the 8th image you drew here. One by one. Now count each circle. Got how many? This is me. This is myself, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 images. Okay. I have 4 images. This is my friend. Let's count how many images she has. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has 4 images also. Now, is it equal? Yes, I have 4 and my friend have 4. I'm happy. If she has more than me, then I'll get angry. Right? So things must be equal. So I have 4, my friend has 4. Clear, guys? That is called sharing equally. The number must be same. Can? Clear? Now let's go to the another example. Okay, now this is myself. I have 2 friends here. This is Miss Casey, Miss Catherine. Okay, so we 3 people here, 3 people. Now, how to share objects equally? Now count how many images you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 images. But it's not only me and my another friend, So it's myself and another 2 friends. So total 3 people here, and we are going to get the 9 images in equal number. Okay, now how are we gonna do that? Now I'm getting a pen for you. I'll draw and show you. Okay, now the first image you cut and then you draw here. Okay, the second image you cut and then you draw here. The third image you cut and then you draw here. Okay, now go back to the fourth image. You cut, you draw here. The fifth image you cut and then you draw here. Sixth image you cut and then you draw here. The seventh image you cut and then you draw here. Eighth image you cut and then you draw here. The last image, the ninth image, you cut and then you draw here. We have equal number of drawings there, correct? 3, 3, 3. Now, of course, my drawing is bad. Okay, now let's look at the next slide for the images. Okay, so this will be the answers. Can you see here? Can, guys? 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So me and my other 2 friends, we have a equal number of images, right? So I have 3, Miss Casey has 3, Miss Catherine has 3. So it's equal, correct? Yeah. So we are not gonna fight. See? So that is the reason it's very, very important to share objects equally. You won't be fighting with your friends. Can, guys? Okay, I hope this video makes you understand. Okay, if you don't understand, please replay this video. Can, guys? Okay, bye bye.